Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you keeping good. Here I welcome you all English online class part 1. Unit 17, The Maze. Lesson number 1, Listen and Speak. You can see this unit in our textbook, page number 84. Students, I request you all, please open our textbook, Oxford Progressive English, page number 84. Here you can see Unit 17, The Maze. Lesson number 1, Listen and Speak. Before starting the lesson, I would like to explain the word maze. Here you can see the picture of a maze. How many of you know the meaning of the word maze? Students, look at the slide. This is a picture of a maze. A maze is a network of paths and hedges designed as a puzzle through which one has to find the way. Here you can see many ways inside the maze. I hope all of you understood the word meaning maze. Maze is a complex system of pathways. Who can you see in the picture? There are 5 people inside the maze. Where are they going? They are going inside the maze. Now, here we start our lesson. Lesson number 1, Listen and Speak. This is a conversation between 3 friends. Ricardo, Dan, and Tom. Before starting the conversation, you can see one question given here. Who knows the way to the center of the maze? Who knows the way to the center of the maze? Please keep this question in your mind. At the end of this conversation, you should answer it. Here we start our conversation. Ricardo, have you been to this maze before? Dan, yes, it's very easy to get to the middle. I think it's the first right and the second right, then keep left all the way to the middle. Ricardo, 20 minutes later, we passed that candy wrapper on the ground 10 minutes ago. Students, please look this maze. How many of you find the candy wrapper here? Please raise your hands. Good. Here it is. Let's continue our conversation. Tom, I think we are going round in circle. Ricardo, when did you last come to this maze? Dan, a few years ago. Tom, help, we are lost. Children, here is the end of this conversation. Now, I would like to ask the question. Who knows the way to the center of the maze? How many of you know the answers? Yes, here we read, Dan, few years ago, he came to this maze, but now he couldn't. He forget the way to the maze. Dan thinks he knows the way to the center of the maze, but in fact, he doesn't. So, what is the answer? Who knows the way to the center of the maze? The answer is no one knows the way to the center of the maze. I hope all of you understood this conversation. Students, now we are going to do the exercise number 2. Listen to your teacher and follow the directions from point X. Where do you come out of the maze? Children, look carefully at the plan of the maze and find the starting point X next to the tree and the 2 entrances. I hope all of you got this point X and the entrances A and B. Here I am going to give you instructions. To do this exercise, I request all of you take your pencil. Are you all at the point X? Good. Follow the directions with your finger and line by using a pencil. Now start walking. Go out of the center and turn left. Turn left again. At the end, turn right and go straight on. Turn left and left again and go straight on. At the end, turn right and go straight on. At the end, turn right. The entrance is on your left. Is this entrance A or entrance B? Children, how many of you reach the entrance A? Good job. You all follow the instructions of the teacher. Thank you. Our next exercise, number 3. Mark the way from the entrance A to entrance B using a pencil. Children, please trace the way from entrance A to entrance B. Have you done? All of you reach B? Good. Thank you. Our next exercise is, at the bottom of this page, you can see a box. Inside the box, there are some phrases. It will help you to direct the way or find the way. Please listen and repeat after me. Turn left. Turn left again. Take the first left. Go straight on. Turn right. Turn right again. Take the second right. Carry on walking. I hope all of you understood all these phrases. I request children, please enter today's date at the top. Practice the conversation twice. Exercise number 2 and 3. Your teacher will check once our school reopen. The last exercise, please practice the phrases twice. I hope all of you understand the lesson 1, listen and speak. Thank you.